This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see me analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the day they release us is false. It meant to give us a false narrative to market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the SEC claims that they enforce federal securities law. They claim they have this robust whistleblowing program. And I went to their website. I've looked around. I see all these claims of all this great enforcement that they're supposed to be doing. And for the last 3 years, I've sent multiple whistleblower complaints to the SEC. How many responses do you think I have received? Absolutely zero. Absolutely zero. And I know there are probably hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of other retail investors who have filed complaints with the SEC, and they probably got no response either. The SEC claims that they are there to enforce federal securities law, but they are there, in my opinion, to protect the bad actors and ensure that when the bad actors break the law, that they don't allow the entire market to crash. They are not there to protect retail investors. They are there to protect the bad actors and protect the market. And I have another question for the SEC. Do you guys know that companies are not supposed to have an unlimited amount of shares? When you see a company that has 5 times its float out on loan, do you think that will require you to do an investigation into counterfeit shares? If I'm supposed to have 1 million shares in this company and somehow 5 million shares of that company is on loan, does that tell the SEC, does that tell the DOJ, does that tell the FBI that more than likely there's a high probability that there are counterfeit shares? But every single day, millions of new AMC shares appear. Millions of new GME shares appear. And somehow the SEC, who pledges that we enforce federal securities laws, sit on the sidelines while the crime of the century goes on right in front of their faces. So SEC, please take down this moniker from your website, because you do not enforce federal securities laws. You help the bad actors rob retail investors and pension funds, and when you catch them, you give them a small fine and never take away their license to trade, because you need to keep getting your cut. And the politicians that appoint you need to keep getting their donations from these bad actors. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that the SEC enforces federal securities laws when you have a stock with 1 million shares in its float, but somehow 5 million of those shares are on loan? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.